Hey guys, so what we're going to go through right now is doing your research. And this is doing your research related to building a keyword list and a topic list in order to know exactly where you want to go with your content. So first step, if you have Google Analytics installed and you have some data, list out the search terms that are currently driving leads and driving customers. And you can just find that in your Google Analytics panel looking at organic search, and you'll be able to find the keywords that are resulting in traffic and the ones that are resulting in goals or leads or customers. You also want to think from the perspective of your customer and list out at least 10 search terms someone would use to find your product or service. So if they were looking for your website, they were looking for something on your blog, what would they type into Google in order to find that? Next up, you want to go on Quora and look for people asking questions related to the problems that your product or service solves. So if you deal in Facebook advertising, go on Quora and search up, and just search up Facebook advertising, search up Facebook marketing questions, Facebook marketing ideas, and all that different variations of things. You're going to come up with tons and tons of questions in there, and those questions are great topics to work from, as well as great keywords to work from in terms of the key words that are used in the question. Look at service or product marketplaces for popular topics as well. So a great one to look at is Udemy. For the most part, you have to be kind of B2C focused more so than B2B, but it works really, really well. And in the video that's just below this, or it should be just below this, where I walk through how to create that backlog, that research backlog for keywords and topics, I'm going to go through how to grab topics out of Udemy specifically because it's a really great place to get content ideas. And for the most part, people just really don't take advantage of it that often. Next up, you want to turn that list into keyword-related topics. So what you're going to do is list out those topics into an Excel file, and there's a Google Doc attached to this lesson, and in that Google Doc is the format of how you're going to do this. You want to shorten those topics down to less than 8 words where possible. The best readability for headlines is under 6 words, but if you keep it to under 8 words for now, that's perfectly fine, and you can optimize and tweak as you go. Put keywords related to the topic in the columns to the right of the topic. So if you have a topic like Facebook Marketing 101, your target keyword in there is Facebook Marketing. And similarly, you want to do that for every single topic so that you have at least one keyword that you're focusing on as your seed to get more information, and then figure out if it is a high quality, high value topic that you can go after. Then you want to use keyword tools like AdWords Keyword Planner, which is free, or keywordtool.io, which is a paid version of the same type of system, to check the search volume for those keywords as well as the cost per click value of those keywords. Now, the difference between Google AdWords Keyword Planner and Keyword Tool are Google AdWords Keyword Planner requires you to have the exact keyword that you're looking for information on, whereas Keyword Tool allows you to use the power of Google's autocomplete to discover new keywords. So if your seed keyword was Facebook marketing, with Google Keyword Planner, it's only going to show you data related to that specific keyword of Facebook marketing. Keywordtool.io, if you type in Facebook marketing, it's going to show you thousands of other keywords that are related to Facebook marketing. So it's going to have, Facebook marketing strategies, Facebook marketing tips, Facebook marketing ideas, and it's going to give you the data related to that, the search volume and the cost per click values. Now, once you've done this, you want to filter out topics and keywords that don't have more than 100 unique searches per month, and this is global unique searches, and a cost per click value of less than 75 cents. The reason for this is we're looking for high value keywords that have mid to high levels of competition in order to create a really effective content marketing strategy, because you don't want to go after keywords and topics where there isn't competition, and the reason for that is because they aren't buying intent keywords. If you happen to come across buying intent keywords that don't have a high competition, that's awesome. You can definitely dominate that keyword. Fit the keyword that will drive traffic into your topic headline and use the existing top ranking content that you find on Google as an example. So once you've figured out your keyword that's going to drive traffic, just go to Google or go to Bing, type in that keyword and hit search. And the top 5 or top 10 listings that you see there, use those example headlines to craft your own headline. Try to keep it short and simple. Try to keep it under 6 words if you can, or 6 words on the high end. It's just going to be better for Google visibility as well as readability. But use those as examples, because the ones that are in the top 3, obviously, they have something going right for them. Now, some research tools that you can use to do all of this stuff. Google AdWords keyword tool is probably the easiest, and it's cheap because it's free. Another keyword tool, which I highly recommend, but it does cost $88 a month, is keywordtool.io. It's the go-to keyword tool that I use to do keyword research and to do topic research. If you have access to Moz already, Moz has a keyword explorer tool that acts much like Google AdWords keyword tool, but it'll also give you data surrounding competition on that particular keyword. So it'll give you information like domain authority and all that SEO, all the SEO stats that you need to determine whether it is a viable keyword. Ahrefs also does basically the exact same thing as Moz, and SpyFu and SEMrush. Again, they kind of do the exact same thing as Moz. They're all basically the exact same tool, but under different brand names. My highest recommendation, if you are going to go with a paid option, go with keywordtool.io. It just is better, flat out. Google AdWords keyword tool, if you don't want to spend the budget, you want to just get something started and get going, that's the one to go with, because it's just really straightforward. And in the video below, I'm going to show you how to use that to get the data that you need.